I'll show you how to enable or disable file history in Windows 11. File history helps you automatically back up files, making it easy to restore them if needed. Launch the Run window by pressing the keys Win and R together. When it launches, type in Control and hit the OK button. In the Control Panel window, click on the drop-down list against View By. Choose Small Icons from the drop-down menu. From the list of Control Panel settings, click on File History. Windows will automatically detect whether an external drive is connected or not. If yes, the Turn On button will be activated. Click on the Turn On button. You will now see a message File History is saving copies of your files for the first time. Wait for the process to finish. If you want to stop the copying process at any time, you can click on the Stop button. Once the copying is done, you will be able to see the following message. That's it. Your files backup is now successfully taken. The File History feature automatically backs up your files periodically, as long as your external disk drive is connected to your PC. In case your external drive is not permanently connected to your system, you can click on the Run Now link to manually initiate the file backup procedure through File History. To disable it in the left pane of the window, click on the Restore Personal Files link. From the Restore window, click on the folder or file that you want to restore, and then click on the Restore button at the bottom. By default, the files would be backed up to their original locations. However, if you would like to restore the file to a particular location, then click on the File folder to select it. Then click on the Settings icon at the top right corner of the File History window, and then click on the Restore to option. From the Restore to window that launches next, choose the location where you want the selected file or folder to be restored at. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.